Ever wondered how to create captivating buttons that not only look great but also drive action on your Shopify pages? Stay tuned as I will unveil the secrets to utilizing the button element effectively in PageFly. First, we'll start by adding a button element to your page. You can find button in the PageFly Elements panel on the left side of the screen. There are 6 types for you to choose from. I will choose the second one, then drag and drop it into the desired location. Let's go into the details of general configuration for a button. There are 3 options to choose: text only, text with icon, and icon only. You can modify the button text here. This is where you can adjust the icon position. Click on the icon to change to the one you want from Icon Library in the General tab. You can also change the size of the icon by dragging this parameter or insert the number here. In case you want to make your button scratch out to the fitted container, just need to go to General tab, then enable full width. Now your button is showing full width inside its container. To take all advantages of button, let's add click action for a button. You can direct to a link, a section, a pop-up, an email address, or a phone number by click action. I'll opt to scroll to a specific section, then select the section where I want the button to scroll to. Now, let's customize the style for a button to make it more appealing in Styling tab. You have the option to select the global style to simplify the design process. State styling contains 3 options: normal state, mouse over state, and active selected state that you can choose for your button. Initially, I'll establish the style for the normal state. First, I change the content color so it matches the website. Adjust the padding, font family, font size, background color, border weight, border radius, and border color. Then I will align all to center for better result. Next, I will adjust style for mouse over state to let users know that their actions have an impact. Choose the mouse over state and personalize the styling just like you did in the normal state. I will update both the content color and background color. Done. Let's see how it looks. Let's attempt to do it on your own in the active state. Let's save and check it on live view. When I hover it, it looks like this, and when I click on the button, it will scroll to this section. The next button I want to introduce is Add to Cart button. You can find an Add Shopify Add to Cart button on the left toolbar. For more details about this button, please check in the description below. This is the end of the video tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to get more new video tutorials. These are other videos on our channel you also may need. Thanks for watching.